Hello, good morning guys. I'm JB Nadia Tiwari and today's subject is market trends and study, and we are discussing today jute fiber. Okay, what is jute fiber? Jute is a natural fiber, and it is a bath fiber, and jute is also known as golden fiber. Okay, it grows well on alluvial soil and requires high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate, and its leading producer are India and Bangladesh. Jute fiber comes from stem of a herbaceous annual plant of the genus Quercus of the Eliaceae family. The principal of two botanical species of jutes are Quercus capsularis, white jute, and Quercus oleiferaris is known as dark jute or tosa jute. Okay, there are two types of jute. Okay, now history. 19th and 20th century raw jute was carried off to UK, and industry boomed after invention of machine 1901 and appearance of synthetic fiber in 1970. Trade declined largely in following years. Between 2004 to market recovered and price increased more than 200%. Okay, now cultivation of jute. Once our economy was largely dependent on jute, and it was our main crop to earn the highest amount of foreign currency. Bangladesh Jute Research Institute has developed. The cultivation of jute follows the steps below. First is land preparation. First, for jute cultivation we do first of all what we do, land preparation, then use of pesticides, then sowing the seeds in time at proper distance, then irrigation, then cutting the jute plant, then jute rotting and fiber collection, washing and drying. Okay, now the processing. In processing, the extraction and preparation of jute fibers involve the traditional methods of retting. During this simple yet skilled process of jute fiber is loosened with wooden mallets before being carefully washed and dried in the sun. Then the dried jute fibers are then graded by quality before being baled and sent to manufacturers ready for weaving into jute rugs. Okay, here is a harvesting of jute fiber. Now retting. There are three types of retting. In retting, first is cold retting, then chemical retting, and retting in the steam retting. Okay. In pool retting, there are some microorganisms or some beaters who differentiate all the fibers from their bast. Okay. Then washing, and after removing the fibers from the bast, then the jute fiber is washed. Then after washing, the drying was done on the bamboo sticks. Okay, now the spinning. Here is a spinning happening, and spinning is using by the machines. Then raw jute fiber. Here is a raw jute fiber. Okay, now chemical composition of jute. Jute is a cellulosic fiber. Its repeating unit is also known as cellulosic. Okay, and jute and cotton both have the same repeating unit, that is cellulose, and its monomer is cellulose. Okay, jute is composed of 65 cellulosic units and 35% natural wages present in the jute fibers, that is natural wages, oils and cements, lignins. Okay, and this is the chemical structure of jute fiber. Now the chemical composition of jute is given below. Here is a we can say the components and percentage. Okay, the cellulose, what are the compositions present in the jute fiber? First is cellulose. Cellulose is 65.2% present in the jute fiber. Then hemicellulose. Hemicellulose is 22.2%. Lignin is 10.8%. Water soluble material present in jute fiber, that is 1.5%. Flax and wax 0.3%. Okay. And the physical properties of jute fiber. Here is physical properties. First of all, we will talk about the parameters. What are the physical properties present in the jute fiber? That is tenacity, length, strength, elasticity, resiliency, abrasion resistance, and dimensional stability, moisture. Again, there are so many physical properties. We have to check to the quality of the jute fiber. First, we will talk about the tenacity. Tenacity is present in the jute fiber, that is 3.5 to 4.5% gram per 4.5 gram per denier, that is 40 to 70%. Okay. Then length, the jute fiber basically 0.2 to 30 inch length. Okay. Then stretch and elasticity. Stretch, not good. In stretching, the stretch and elasticity of jute fiber is not good, and it has only 2% elongation at break. Okay. Resiliency not very good. Abrasion resistance relatively good. Cotton. Then dimensional stability is good, and moisture regain 13.75%. Now the other parameters: specific gravity 0.48 to 1.50. Then color yellowish, brown, golden brown. These are the colors of jute fiber. Heat resistance, good heat resistance of jute fiber, and specific heat. Jute have 0.324 specific heat, and diameter of jute fiber is 18 micron. In the cross-sectional area of jute fiber, that is uneven thick cell wall with lemon. Okay, because jute and cotton have a little similar cross-sectional structure. Okay, the parameters: effect of bleaching, not affected by the oxidizing and reducing bleaching agents. Okay, मतलब जूट पर ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एंड ब्लीचिंग एजेंट्स कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता है. इफेक्ट ऑफ एसिड्स: acid destroyed by hot concentration acids. Hot concentrated acid and dilute acid can't do harm to the fiber. Effect of alkali: strong alkali destroy the fiber and strength reduces. Organic solvents: resistant to organic solvents. And the other parameters: effect of mildew, better than cotton and linen, means it shows better than cotton and linen. Effect and effect of insects: resistance is good, insect resistance is good, and dyeability: it has very good dyeability, easily dyed, and electrical and thermal conductivity, that is moderate. And now the defects of jute fiber. First is rooty fiber. Rooty fiber means, what is rooty fiber? Rooty fiber means this problem is caused by improper decomposition of retting or ratting of jute. Okay. Now specking and spotted fiber. Improper ratting and washing cause foreign material to stuck with the fiber and spot to is created. Croppy fiber. The fibers at the top of the plant become sticky and rough, and if the plants doesn't immerse in the water properly, and while retting can cause this problem. Weak fiber, over retting bundling in wet condition and storing for long time reduced fiber strength can cause this problem. Hunker fiber, hard and strong cuticle or outer layer of the plant can cause this problem to the jute fiber. Now again the defects, some other defects, that is sticky fiber. Sticky means if the fiber is collected from a mature plant, the stick of the plant may come with fiber by fiber collection. Knotty fiber, this problem is caused by insects which causes difficulty in fiber collection. Dead fiber, Overaging, overretting or storing wet fiber for long time reduces fiber strength, color and mossy fiber, hurt damage and transit the exterior damage. Uses of jute fiber. What are the uses of jute fiber? We can use of jute fiber in bags, sacks for the packaging almost all kind of agriculture products and minerals, cements. Okay. Now other are the packs for packing of wool, cotton, okay, and other material, that is vegetables, fabrics, wrapping materials. Okay, the carrier and baking fabric for carpet and linoleum, and cordage and twins, and wedging to cover inner springs is in auto seat and upholstered furniture. Next is cargo separator and shelf. The other uses of jute fiber: cloth for mine, ventilation and partition, and next is filling material in cable, and next is roofing and floor covering apparel, and footwear lining, wall covering and furnishing fabric, and soil erosion control fabric, and many more. Okay, these are the jute's products, some important jute products. This is wall hanging, this is crop. Thank you.